instead of just showing a 15-second chart with no context, I'm gonna go ahead and break down why I was looking for shorts this morning and why I got in where I did. All right, so just for context, we did have support on this 30-minute around 229. All right, and then on Bookmap, you see I have these levels at 200 and 150. These are levels where we had buyers actively sitting in the market, okay? So these were where limit orders were sitting. And so I did mark these levels out, and I did use these in my trade for today, or, for my entry. All right, so just coming down to the lower time frames, just to show you guys exactly where I got my entry and why I got my entry where I did. Of course, I could have gotten my entry where I normally would have up at the resistance here once we retested that. However, because we had not yet broken below the higher time frame level on the 30-minute and it was right at open, I did want to give it a little bit more time so I could have, full confirmation. Also with the news today and Trump speaking later, just wanted to have a little bit more confirmation. So I did wait until we got below the buyers at 200. You can see once we got below that level, we can kind of wicked up above the level. And then, that's where I got my entry for shorts, stopped right above the wick there, and targeted down to 150, which is where the buyers were at. And as you can see, that's exactly right where we bounced around, grabbed liquidity right below that level, and then moved back up. And so I love using Bookmap levels. If you have not checked it out, you should definitely go ahead and do that. And if you want to learn how I use Bookmap specifically, you can either join the Discord or join the VIP ticket for the bootcamp, and you will get that video for free. So I hope that made sense to you guys. Pretty simple, nothing too crazy, and I will see you guys soon.